Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the proxy settings in Telegram. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your left corner and press on the three lines there. Press on your profile now, scroll down here and press on data and storage. Scroll down once again and press on the proxy settings, and you can manage the use proxy option. You can just simply enable it. And you can just enter here the server, the port number, username, password, and you can just save it. You can also use proxy for calls. You can enable that option if you want to, and that's pretty much all you can manage here. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.